on any tab, click right mouse button, and from the drop down menu Show Tabs, activate 3D Tools. Untap 3D Tools. From the drop down menu, activate the command Mesh Box. But first of all, I change the view on southwest isometric and some zoom. Specify first corner and other corner. Next step, move the cursor and specify high of mesh box and click left mouse button. Next step, next way, another way, it's change the workspace on 3D modeling, some weight, and from the tab mesh, activate the command mesh box. Click left mouse button and from the command line activate the option center. Next step, move the cursor and click specify center. Click left mouse button to specify center. Next step, I want to create it maybe cube. Move the cursor and specify length, specify higher and other parameters. But I specify some digit from the keyboard. It may be 140. Sorry, don't 40. 140. And click enter on the keyboard.